There we go. I don't know if that affects the video or not, but let's see. We got a new dog. What the? Okay, Sparky's a little bit of a mutant. Let's see what we get when we get 2 Sparkies. And we put them together. New dog discovered. Stacky. Alright, I guess we got another mutant dog. Let's try to make more dogs. We need some more packages. Here we go. Come on, we need another one. And then we will be able to create another Snacky. Okay, I don't know what that is. So here we go. Looks like we got that. The music is awesome. Oh, dog discovered. Good times. What? Is that another world? Oh, that's another world dog. That's cool, you have different worlds. That's nifty. Here we go. That's my sister, don't pay attention to that. She's probably doing something out there. Let's see if we can get 2 of good times, so then maybe we could see what happens when we get 2 of these guys. One that I was dragging around just a second ago. And it looks like we have some money. Can I get... It says that we have upgrades. I hear the tractors are really good. I've actually played some of these games before. Ham delivery. I guess that's cool. Ham delivery 2. Suggest an animal. Ooh, that's cool. R-E-G... I don't freaking know. I'm recording. So I don't... What does Ham do? Oh, Ham is that. Yeah, that's right. I forgot. I didn't think that it was gonna be in that form. There's a box up there and I can't get it. That's gonna be really annoying. Collect. Oh, the tractor brought me something. Oh, there's the dog. Here we go. Let's get 2 of these. So now we have this. If we get 2 of these guys, we get another one of these guys. So let's see. We just need the dog to come in more. What the?
Just deal with it.
Okay, that was weird. Alright, so, let's see, another box, there we go. Oh, that's a diamond. Huh. I know there's an upgrade for... I'll open the box. Animal evolution, I dropped them up. I'm gonna get another puppy. Let's go. Now we just need another one of these guys. And then we will be set. Tap me. Short ad for a 2 hour times 2 profit. An hour times 2 profit. I don't really, I don't think I can watch ads on you, because this is going on YouTube, if you couldn't tell already. I don't know if watching those ads is, like, I don't know if watching those ads would be, like I could get a strike on YouTube for that. Oh, I didn't realize. Now we have 2 good times. Here we go. Oh, new dog discovered. Walkery. This is kind of one of those videos where it's kind of repetitive after a little bit. But these guys are making me money. Looks like we have a mission. Spend 51,000 coins. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Let's go for upgrades. Okay, alright. That's good. Let's go. This is super sick. Oh, should I give the meat to this guy? Oh, this guy's giving me a ton of money. I didn't even... Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of money coming out of this guy. Super cool, super cool. Looks like we're gonna get another box in here in a second. There we go. There's another box. That's a diamond, not another present. Hungry for more. No. There's gonna be a lot of that. I'm recording right now, Kennedy. There we go. We got 2 of these guys. Now we got, I forgot what this one was called. I think you can actually go to one of your things. There we go. And Master just stormed out of the room. Good for me. So, I don't know what this is. I'll spend 1K on it. 3K. Just don't know what that is. Does that mean boxes faster? Probably does. Oh, if you just tap on the dogs, then they'll give you a ton of money. What the heck? It just gave me another one of those, even though they're supposed to be... What? That is so cool. Now we just need another one of these guys, and then we'll get another one of these guys, and then we'll put them together, and it will be good times. They just give you, like, good care. Oh, see, they normally give you just this guy right here out of those crates. That is super cool. I didn't realize that they did that. There's another one of these guys. What the heck? There we go. So now we have 2 of these guys already. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna put these together. There we go. New dog discovered. Lily. I think that's what it said. I have to charge my phone. Hopefully this doesn't do anything to the video. There we go. So now we got one of these guys. We're just gonna go to the other world, see what they give us. They're giving you like upgraded dogs to where... There's another one. Jesus. Put these things together. There we go. That is such a cool... I think it had to do with this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it did. It had to do with that. There we go. Let's go. Let's do it. If we can hit 20 to 25 likes in this next week or on this just video, then I'll do something crazy. I'll do something really crazy. There's another diamond. I wonder if the diamonds do things. But let's get this video to 15 views, 20 likes. Leave a like on this video, and I will do another dog evolution video. I will see you guys later, and we will do a number 2 if we get to 25 likes in the next week or just on this video. Goodbye, everybody. Subscribe.